Hey guys, this is DK and here is Redmi's latest phone, Redmi K50 Gaming. I am very excited for unbox this phone, so let's get started. Open the box and there is nothing really special compared to the other Redmi's phone. In addition to the phone itself, there's a transparent case included along with the 120-watt fast charging, which as claimed could fully the phone's 4700 mAh large battery 0 to 100 only in 17 minutes. The Redmi K50 Gaming comes with 3 different colors: black, silver and blue. The blue is here. The back side is made of AG glass with a decorative texture in the middle. There is not much fancy reflection and the back feels pretty good in hand. The edge frame is made of metal material. On the right side of the device we have powerful gaming triggers and power button with fingerprint sensor. We also have a volume rockers on left hand side and a dual SIM tray which supports 5G, but unfortunately no expandable storage option and no headphone jack. At the bottom we have a USB 2.0 type C port, still not 3.1, but this time around we have a JBL quad speaker system. It is made up of 2 main speakers, one at the top and one at the bottom, and the speaker location is gaming friendly, which makes sure that sound would not be blocked when playing games. The top of the display we have a 20 megapixel selfie camera, and this is 6.67 inches OLED display, which is of course full HD plus panel and supports 1 billion colors in HDR10+. The display comes with 1300 nits peak brightness, 120Hz higher refresh rate and 480Hz touch sampling rate. The Redmi K50 Gaming comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 powerful processor, LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. Let's look at its camera module. The phone comes with 3 rear cameras including 64 megapixel Sony IMX686 main camera, and the other 2 cameras are an 8 megapixel wide angle camera and 2 megapixel micro lens. So that's it for today guys. Make sure to subscribe this channel.